Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sign into your Source Google account and open Google Takeout. This starts the transfer. First, pick only the products you need to move so the archive stays manageable. Once done, deselect large extras like shared drives unless required. Next, choose Export Settings, One-Time Export, Zip for compatibility, and a sensible max archive size to avoid splitting too many files. Make sure to confirm your email and storage needs before creating the export to prevent interruptions. You request the export and wait for the notification email saying your archive is ready. This can take minutes or hours. Once you get it, download every. Zip into a dedicated local folder labeled with the date and source account name so files stay organized. After downloading, verify the archives open and contents look correct. This step prevents surprises later. If an archive is split, download all parts and extract them together. Once verified, prepare to upload to the new account. You sign into the new Google account and upload the extracted drive folders and photos manually or via backup and sync for bulk. For Gmail, use the mail fetcher or import via settings to bring messages into the new inbox. This preserves headers and labels when possible. Once uploads finish, reshare or reapply permissions as needed. If something goes wrong, check that the new account has enough storage, confirm correct archive extraction, and retry any failed uploads after clearing browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.